Welcome to Online English 101, Critical Thinking and Academic Writing. This orientation is going to help you get started in the course, show you how to navigate through the course, and give you some tips for success. The first thing you will see when you enter the course is a brief welcome message along with information about the required textbook for the course. You'll have the title, the authors, and a photograph. You can also go to any campus bookstore and provide the course name and number, the specific section number that you are enrolled in, and the staff there will be able to assist you in purchasing the textbook. Once you've read the welcome message, you will be instructed to go to the content area of the course. This is an important tip for success. Whenever you are in doubt or you need to find something in the course, you can always go to content. That will bring you to the home page. It will list on the left all of the different sections or modules in the course, and it will populate the last area that you were working on. But you can always go back to the beginning. So we want you to start first with getting started. You'll have there your instructor information, a welcome letter from your instructor, the syllabus, policies, and the most important documents probably for an online course, which is your daily calendar or your weekly calendar. As you go through the course, once you enter or click on an item and read it, to navigate to the next item in the course, you simply go up to the upper right corner where there are arrow buttons. If you click right, you'll go forward in the class. If you click left, you'll go back. So this will take you to the next area in the course. You can click on the next document. Once you've read that, you can go forward again, and it will automatically bring you to the next document. And so you can work your way through the course simply by using the right arrow button in that upper right-hand corner. When you get to the calendar section, these documents are extremely important. There are two of them. You do not need to use both of them, so you can choose which one best suits your preference. One is the daily calendar, and it will list each day in the course along with activities for you to do each day. It will highlight important activities and due dates for assignments. So if you would like a day-by-day planner to help you pace yourself through the course, this is an excellent choice. The other option is the weekly calendar. That document will simply list the course week by week with a list of the required activities and specific due dates for specific assignments. So if you would rather have a weekly overview, this might be a better fit for you. Whichever document you choose, I would strongly urge you to print out the document so that you can have it by your side and follow it very carefully. There is a print button at the bottom of the document, so you should be able to print that without too much difficulty. Of course, it will always be here in the course. It's always under the Getting Started area. So you will simply go through the Getting Started materials until you get to the end of it. It will list the assignments. And then at the end, there is some resources that may be helpful to you. We have a writing center that can give you assistance. There's a tutorial about how to write a paragraph. There is a little video about specifically how to be successful in an online course. And then finally, at the end of your Getting Started materials, there will be a survey that we'd like you to take so that your instructor can get to know you. Continuing to click right, you'll be at the first content area, which is Unit 1. The course is divided into 4 units. Each unit requires textbook reading and quizzes, as well as writing assignments and other activities that reinforce the concepts that you're learning from the textbook. Each unit will provide an overview of what it covers and the kinds of activities that you will be doing, and then you'll see each activity. Again, you can simply work your way through the activity by clicking on it, reading the instructions, doing whatever is required, and then clicking right to go to that next activity. And you can continue to do that throughout the unit. You will need to have your daily schedule or your weekly schedule by your side because the instructions will not include the due dates. You will need your calendar to make sure that you are completing these assignments on time. When you get done with all the activities for Unit 1, you'll see that the arrow buttons will take you right into Unit 2. But again, at any time, if you hit content, you will be able to see all of the units and you can go into them at any point at any time and look around. So the tips to be successful in the course. Tip number 1, make sure you get the book right away. Tip number 2, print out your daily or weekly calendar and make sure that you follow it carefully. Tip number 3, make sure that you read all instructions carefully. Make sure that you email your instructor if you have any questions or confusions. And just make sure that you stay on track. Hopefully this will assist you in being successful in the online version of English 101.